What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to Vlogmas. Merry Vlogmas. What's good? Yeah, this is my first day, but really day 11 for everyone else. So welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. I already posted the recap video between day 1 and 10. So if you haven't seen that one and you want to see more content, go see that one. Tonight we're gonna go see some lights. I think we're going to Santa Land. Gonna get some hot chocolate, and I'm about to show y'all, I'm about to give y'all a tour of Zach's truck. Grab some hot chocolate. I hope this video is interesting, fun. But thanks for stopping by, and welcome to Vlogmas. So I don't know if you saw it really well in the other video, but here's the truck. Door. Notice it doesn't have sorry, my knuckles are ashy. It doesn't have like a window roller downer or unlocking, so it has just like, you just have to do it like that. And it has the crank window, but look how nice it looks. It's all new. Sorry, I'm kind of shaky. It's only a 2-passenger, but this actually goes up. So really 3 people can ride in it. Cup holders, compartment. He's got a nice little radio. And I also gave him this thing so he can Bluetooth his phone. So yeah, this is what we're taking tonight. Tell the people where we're at.
We're at McDonald's. We're here to get some drinks before we head to Santa Land.
See, I can vouch for that. Okay, so what are we doing right now?
We are in the line.
Z-boy.
We are just in the line chilling.
What's there? We are almost there.
I'd say a good 30
Do the
minutes.
math. Yeah, I'd say 30 minutes. So as you can see now, there's cars all right there. Well, this is the entrance, so we're almost there. We're here. We're living.
We're living the dream.
Living the dream. We will be back when we enter.
Yeah.
Patrol.
Oh,
Oh, I see which one you're talking about. He's like all swole. No, they're funny. Dang, they really like started as soon as you enter. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. They even got Puss in Boots. Stop muffin, man. Oh, they just be on the run. Oh, person working. A worker. Thank you, sir. No mask, exactly. Oh, here comes Santa. Hey, you can wave at Santa. Santa!
I'm gonna throw that out my window.
No, you don't. You're so annoying.
How y'all doing? That's good. Merry Christmas. Y'all stay warm. Thank you.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And comment down below what's your favorite Christmas song.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.